Hi, in this session we are going to cover how to calculate surface area of cylinders. So let's say we have a hollow cylinder and we want to calculate the surface area of the hollow cylinder. So how the cylinder will look like is this one. Now since it is hollow, basically we know that this, if I insert some piece of rod or anything, like it will go through this. So that means basically we, when we are calculating the surface area, will not be focusing on these two part, since these are hollow. And surface area means what? Surface area means that you want to paint the surface of a particular structure. So here, if you want to paint, basically you will be painting these two sides of a hollow cylinder, not the circular one. So now, how to calculate the cylinder, provided we are given the height of the cylinder? So this is called height, and let's say h unit is the height of the cylinder, and this is the radius of the cylinder. So what does it mean, radius? Because in cylinder the bottom and top part would be a circular shape. So that will have a radius. So let's say that is of r unit. Now we'll be calculating the surface area. So in order to calculate that, if I cut at one side of this can, then what you will be able to see is basically it will spread across, and the shape would will become like a rectangle. And what does it mean? That this will be h, but this is going to change. And what will be this? Let's calculate that one. So in order to calculate that one, what you will see, that the length that we have got over here is nothing but the perimeter of the circle. So if I can calculate the perimeter of this circle, then we can use that as the side length of the rectangle. So let's calculate what will be the perimeter. The perimeter would be 2 pi r unit. Hence it will be 2 pi r unit. And now what will be the surface area? Hence the surface area of the hollow cylinder would be 2 pi r into h. So in this way we do not need to remember this formula. If we can quickly kind of imagine the cylinder as a rectangle of this sort, then we can quickly remember this formula. And also please make sure to correct the units that you are using over here. If it is in semi, then it would be semi square. If it is in mimi, then it will be mimi square. So please make sure that you put the correct unit.